In this video, I am going to introduce you to this new research into creative models. This research is titled as Weaver. These researchers have introduced Weaver, which is their first family of LLMs dedicated to content creation. Weaver is pre-trained on a carefully selected corpus that focuses on improving the writing capabilities of large language models. Then they have fine-tuned Weaver for creative and professional writing purposes and align it to the preference of professional writers using a suite of novel methods for instruction, data synthesis, and LLM alignment, making it able to produce more human-like text and follow more diverse instructions for content creation. Weaver family of models consist of Weaver Mini, which is 1.8 billion parameter, Weaver Base, which is 6 billion parameter, Weaver Pro, which is 14 billion, and then Weaver Ultra, which is 34 billion size. These models are suitable for different applications and can be dynamically dispatched by a routing agent according to query complexity to balance response quality and computation cost. Evaluation on a carefully curated benchmark for assessing the writing capabilities of LLMs shows that Weaver models of all sizes outperform generalist LLMs several times larger than them. For example, their most capable Weaver Ultra, which is 34 billion in size, has surpassed GPT-4 on various writing scenarios, demonstrating the advantage of training specialized LLMs for writing purposes. Another cool advancement which they have done is this Wawa writer. Now, why would they need this Weaver is a question first. Despite generalist LLMs such as GPT already possessing general writing skills and helping billions of users in various writing scenarios, they often struggle to produce human like text in specific writing scenarios such as writing stories, role play stories, fiction, social media copies, blogs, theses, and various other type of texts. That is where these researchers have analyzed the behavior of pre-trained base LLMs such as Llama, aligned LLMs such as ChatGPT and Llama Chat, and also believe that this limitation originates from both the pre-training stage and the alignment stage. Because on one hand, generalist LLMs are pre-trained on massive low quality web text or machine AI generated text, and that is why they struggle. So consequently, existing LLM backbones tend to produce seemingly fluent text that is not really creative enough and also lack human-like style. And that is where these tools like Viva Writer shines. So Viva Writer is based on Weaver and it is a next generation AI assistant writing platform to fully unleash the capability of Weaver LLMs. Viva Writer integrates key features for a recent AI assistant writing platforms such as Notion AI, and I think it also deals with Confluence. And it also deals with AI assisted generation, polishment, and summarization. And it all does it in a creative way, in more human like fashion. So, human users can also chat with the writing agents generated by this Wawa, and then because these writing agents understand the goal of current document by reading customized settings such as a title or a short description of a document. Now, this also introduces a writer bench which supports collaborative editing between multiple human writers and language agents. Users can also customize their multiple writing agents and collaborate with one or few of them while writing the stories in a creative way. And you can see the various benchmarks on your screen, and you can see that at the top Weaver Ultra has beaten GPT-4 because overall score of Weaver Ultra is 8.54 whereas GPT-4 is just 8.19. And then lot of other famous models have struggled on overall benchmark whereas Weaver has shined through on these creative writing tasks. So I believe that this Weaver is really going to create some ripples when it is out. I checked on Hugging Face, I couldn't find the model yet, and I just found one website in Chinese. I tried to translate it but couldn't do it, so I'm not sure if there is a way to test it out properly or install it locally, especially the mini one. As soon as I get my hands on it, I will create another video of installation. But so far, I think these models and the tools like the WriteBench and Wawa Writer, I think they'll be good not only for creative writing but also benchmarking for evaluating the writing capabilities of LLMs. Because in their comparisons of all of these 10 plus generalist LLM, Beaver Ultra is, I think, at the top of the list. So really hoping to get my hands on it. If you know of any way or that I could download or use Beaver, let me know in the comments. And if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. And if you're already subscribed, please share it among your network. Thank you very much.